Cut any excess chicken fat and gizzards from chicken and set aside. Salt the chicken generously. Stuff the chicken with ginger and scallions. Put the chicken into the Instant Pot. Pour the chicken broth to the max line and season the broth with salt to taste. Then close the pot. Now high pressure cook for 8 minutes and then QPR. While waiting for the chicken to be done, wash the rice. Then put the sesame oil, ginger, garlic, and chicken fat and gizzards into a large pan. Stir for 10 minutes until it starts to smell aromatic. Take 1/4 of the fried ginger and garlic with chicken fat and put to the side for the sauce later. Add the rice into the pan with the sesame oil, fried ginger, and garlic and stir for 3 minutes. Transfer the chicken rice into a rice cooker pot. Add the IP chicken broth to the rice cooker pot. Then take the chicken out of the IP and then put it into an ice bath water for 5 minutes. After it is done bathing in the ice bath, take the chicken out and rub sesame oil all over the chicken. Cut the chicken and put it on the plate. Sauce, pour soy sauce, oyster sauce, and chicken broth with the leftover fried garlic and ginger. You can season the broth with more salt if the taste is not to your liking, and cut cucumbers on the side. The chicken rice should be done by now. Put it on a plate or a bowl. I hope you enjoy your Hainan chicken with rice. So please remember to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I've included the link below for the recipe.